The only two metrics you need to focus on if you want to go viral. In this video, I want to go through those two things, those two metrics you need to focus on to go viral, to get more views, to get more ideal clients onto your page so you can get paid, so you can get more clients, okay? And before you question my competence, I know you're probably seeing the 800 subscribers and like, bro, you don't even go viral. Shush. I've gone viral multiple times, okay? And also I've got one of my clients to 110k followers, another client to 11k followers, another client to 136k followers, and my own TikTok account to 20k followers. It was at 22k followers and I stopped posting and people have unfollowed, but you know. And here's just some proof. As you can see, it's quite old, the TikTok stats, and this is because it was in 2020. So last 7 days, 3.2 million, so that's 12 million views a month. 830k, 10.4 million, 9.6 million. 150k views for my client, 100k views, 3.9 million views. And I've got loads of those. I could just go on forever, but I'm not just going to put more results in, okay? So I know what I'm speaking about when it comes to going viral, when it comes to building personal brands. So listen to me, okay? Listen to someone that's already done it multiple times, and I guarantee you'll learn from this, okay? So when it comes to metrics, there's only two things you should review. So every month when you review your content or whenever, there's only two things you should really review, okay? And these metrics will make or break whether your videos will be pushed out to more people or not. And it's important to get these two things right if you do want more views. And before we get into it, I do want to remind you that going viral isn't everything, and it's not the main solution to your client acquisition, so client getting problem, okay? So if you're focused on getting more clients for your coaching offer, going viral won't solve all your problems. Yes, it may get you a few clients, but what really matters is messaging when trying to attract clients, and going viral won't solve all your problems. It will solve some, okay, but I'm just saying don't rely on going viral to get more clients, okay? And guys, if you're an online coach and you're making at least 10k a month, you have a solid offer and you have a few testimonials to back that offer up, and you want to build a one-of-one personal brand and actually get clients through it, all completely done for you while you only have to press record once a month, check out the second link in the description where you can book in a call and we can speak in more detail. So in some cases, more views, the right views, do equate to cash though, and in this video I want to make sure you know the two metrics you should be focusing on. So one is watch time, and watch time is super important, and this is for short form videos, by the way. It does apply to long form as well, but short form is just easy, okay? So watch time, the longer people watch your videos, the more your videos will be pushed out to more people, and that's just inevitable, that's a fact, okay? But why does this actually happen, okay? All social media platforms want is for you to stay on their platform for a long period of time, okay? That's all they want you to do. They want you to stay on their platform, on their social media app, for a longer period of time. And this is so you can see and watch more ads, leading you to maybe buy something, leading the business who was running those ads to spend more on ads. That's how social media platforms make money. Ads. They want you to post content that makes people stay on the app longer, so they will maybe potentially see ads and they buy stuff, and people will spend more ad spend, etc. Okay? Especially Instagram. They've made it super easy for people to run ads because they want you to make money so they can make money. They make money from people spending money on ads. So the more people who watch your organic and free videos, so scrolling through, the more likely they're going to see an ad and buy something. Do you understand? Okay? So that's why watch time is a metric you need to focus on. But how do we get people to actually stay on our videos longer, okay? And there's a huge mistake most people make when it comes to increasing watch time, a huge mistake. This is what most people do, so I'm just going to do an example real quick. Here's how to add 3 inches onto your biceps. Then they reveal the secret straight away. Okay? Why do you think that person wanted to watch the video? Correct, to know about the secret. And what do you think they're going to do after they know the secret? Correct, they're going to scroll, leading your watch time to be low. Okay, so your video will not be pushed out to more people. So what should you do instead? Okay, what you need to do is hype up the secret you're about to reveal. So do not reveal the secret straight away, you need to hype it up instead. So for example, instead of saying, this is the #1 secret, you need to grow your biceps, you need to have more sleep. do this. This is the number one secret you need to grow your biceps. This secret was used by Arnold Schwarzenegger to win Mr. Olympia. Also, Chris Bumstead used it to grow an extra 3 inches on his biceps in 3 weeks. And I'm not sure why more people are not speaking about this, but the secret to growing huge biceps is getting more sleep. Okay, then you go on about why, etc. Okay, but you see the difference there. I'm hyping up the solution to their pain. Okay, so they don't have bigger biceps, they want bigger biceps, and I'm hyping up the solution so it intrigues them for more, and they're like, damn, I need to watch this video till he reveals this secret. It must be amazing because Chris Bumstead used it, Arnold Schwarzenegger used it, and he doesn't know why more people aren't speaking about it. It must be this secret hack, and they're going to watch on until you reveal the secret, which is down the line, which means they'll be watching the video for the optimal amount of watch time, so your video is pushed out to more people. So if they watch for 3 seconds, it's not going to push the video out. So if they watch for 10 to 15 to even 20 seconds before you reveal the thing, it's going to be pushed out to more people. Okay, but you can't just make it boring. You have to intrigue the viewers for more. You can't just be boring. People won't stay on. You have to intrigue them for more, and that's what I mean by hyping up the secret. Okay, so that's the first metric, which is super important: watch time. Okay, and the next metric, which is super important, is engagement. So engagement is really important because the more engagement means that the more your video will be pushed out. Okay, it's funny how most viral videos have the most comments, right? Okay, so have you seen it? Most viral videos have the most comments, and that's because it's engagement. Okay, so how do we actually increase engagement? And this is work for me, so just make sure you test this out yourself. Not everything works for everyone, and I want to make that clear. So just test this out yourself. The more controversial my videos are, the more comments it gets. And this is just inevitable. People love arguments and drama. We're humans, okay? They love drama, especially if they're scrolling on social media. Why do you think they're there to be entertained? And arguments and drama and controversy is going to entertain them. Okay, so the more controversial you are, the more people will start commenting. Okay, I've seen this multiple times. Okay, I've seen it on my recent video that I posted about going clubbing. If you go clubbing, you're a bum, I said. Okay, and there was loads of comments. There was arguments going on, and this allowed my video to get 10x the views that it normally gets. Okay, so controversy always wins. As I said in my other videos, I say I'm not focused on going viral, but I decided to test this out. I decided to try and go viral, and it 10x the views. I didn't go viral, but I 10x the views that I normally get, and that just shows you that controversy does truly work. Okay, and all my videos when I was getting 10 million views a month on TikTok, they were super controversial, and I don't even want to show them. That's how controversial they were. But if you want to check out my account, it's Growth with James. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the amount of funny videos I was making. But yeah, controversy is king. If you're controversial within your videos, you will win. Okay, but there's 2 different types of controversy, and I want to make this clear. I want to make sure you know that there's broad controversy and there's niche controversy. You want to lean over to the niche controversy, especially if you want to attract ideal clients to your page. So if your main goal is to grow your business and not your social media pages, but it will still grow your social media pages, if that makes sense, you need to be niche controversial. Okay, but you can sometimes be broad. Of course, the broad was going clubbing. That is very broad, and I said that within my content. But an example of broad controversy would be something like the clubbing, and it would also be like something saying like girls can't drive. That's really broad and would get a lot of girls and even simps, men, mad. Okay, and that will lead to a lot of comments, a lot of arguments, etc. And also a lot of comments saying I agree with you, like men saying I agree with you, for example. Okay, so it would lead to more comments. Okay, more comments, and then if someone said I agree with you, the girl will comment, arguing with that man. Why do you think this? Why do you think that? Like it will start arguments, and more comments equals more engagement. More your videos will be pushed out. Okay. So an example of niche controversy would be something like bench press will not grow your chest. This is specific to your ideal client and your industry, but very controversial in the gym space. If I said that to someone, they'd be like, what are you on about? Bench press does grow your chest. Okay, so it will start arguments in the comment section, and more comments, etc. Okay, So that's an example of niche controversy. And yeah, those are the main two metrics you should focus on when trying to go viral within your content. If you start implementing some of these things into your content, I guarantee you will see a 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x increase in your views. I literally guarantee it. It's so simple, yeah, it's so effective, but nothing will happen without taking action. So make sure you actually take action. Okay, make sure you actually take action on what I've just said, because nothing will happen if you don't take action. Thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. Subscribe, everything like that, especially if you're an online coach and you want to get more clients, you want to build a personal brand. This channel is definitely for you. I post content like this every single day, so hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.